May 599 pesos buffet sa Quezon City na pang-family talaga. Sulit ba? Tara, samahan niyo ako at kumain tayo. Welcome sa Kamay Kainan, located at number 2 Malamig Street, corner Kalayaan Avenue, Quezon City. A perfect spot for a quick lunch bonding or a good family meal. An established food business for more than 3 decades, Kamay Kainan offers an all-day eat-all-you-can Filipino cuisine complete with a spacious, welcoming ambience, modern lighting, a comfortable, cool dining area, and attentive waitstaff that make the meal more inviting. Simulan natin sa appetizers. Sobrang daming choices. May fried lumpia toge, lumpiang Shanghai, crispy crablets, fried bangus, nilasing na hipon, and lechon manok. Meron ding shrimp tempura, inihaw na hito at lechon kawali na masarap isabay sa pipino salad, singkama salad, ginataang langka at adobong kangkong. Our plates and bowls keep coming for the main dishes. Dito lang talaga ang laban. May papaitan para sa mahilig sa mapait, masarap na beef kaldereta, kare-kare na creamy at rich, bouillabaisse na seafood loaded, ginataang kohol, salmon head miso soup, egg drop soup na perfect sa sabaw lovers, complemented with fried rice and steamed rice. There are also classic Pinoy favorites like Dinuguan, the popular adobong baboy, bopis, at syempre, Pancit, a standard Filipino fare for any celebration, alongside Lumpiang Ubod. Hindi kumpleto ang buffet kung walang dessert. May gelatin, Maja Blanca, ginataan bilo-bilo, minatamis na saging, pichi-pichi, Buko Pandan, at yellow watermelon. Including the classic Pinoy summer treat, halo-halo. For refreshments, they offer pineapple juice, red tea, and gulaman, all for unlimited refills. All these for only 599 pesos per person. Senior citizens and PWD can dine at discounted rates. Sulit ito, lalo na kung kasama mo ang buong pamilya. Hindi lang sa dami ng pagkain, kundi sa experience ng sabay-sabay na kainan. For birthdays, weddings, company events, family gatherings, and reunions, this is a hassle-free, solid option. Kamay Kainan can accommodate about 200 packs in their main dining area and 40 to 100 packs maximum at their private dining rooms. Spacious parking spaces are also available. So if you are planning a celebration or want to treat your family, make it easy and quick with a delicious buffet spread that everyone will enjoy and remember. For more information, dining promos, and to reserve your spot, call 8921-5904 or 0932-887-6640. They are open daily from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sa Kamay Kainan, sulit at affordable ang unlimited buffet. Busog ka na, masaya ka pa. Please like, share, and subscribe for more sulit and affordable food trips around Metro Manila. See you at the next one. Thank you for watching.